Yes, we got the eggs again! Yeah! Woohoo! This calls for a celebration. Oh, no, you don't. We came back for the third time in a row. Oh, no, not the birds! We are doomed. Bum, 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 bum. Is it getting rude? Yeah. Why did it stop? Because the bum, bum, bum thing is getting old. Oh, you're right. Ha-ha! Prince Pig will stop you guys. Oh, no. Someone help. We're scared. You don't have to scream like that. Oh, you're right. Oh, and King Pig, since you got those eggs, didn't you know that you were supposed to have 4 eggs instead of 3 eggs? Oh, that reminds me. Yeah, that reminds me. I have an orange egg from the last episode. Wait, are you mentioning the thing where it's getting old? Yeah. And also, why did you bring my brother? What brother? Delicious. Oh my goodness, you are so rude. What? You are so stupid. Are you making fun of me again? No. But anyways, you're dumb. I have to admit it. How? Okay. You're grounded. Go Anime's real! Oh my goodness. I think he thinks Go Anime is real. Oh, yeah. I guess we don't use character elimination on Go Anime anymore. Yeah, because it's getting old, comedy world. Yeah. Anyways, let's start battling. Bring it on. Hal, you go first. Okay. Shh. Mate. What? What is it? Hal just got stuck! You're our new thing now. Oh no, you don't. Oh my goodness. Ow. I think I just broke myself. Huh. Hey, can we get an ice pack for Hal? Medic! Well, Chuck is gone. Bubbles, you go next. Oh boy, don't mess with Bubbles! Ow! He failed! He failed! I told you not to mess with me! Wow, how about that? Come on, guys. We're running out of time. Let's go, 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 go! You go in there and show them what a real blooper means. What? Ow! You win! Wait, did the birds win? No, we're still going on. There's some birds left. Oh, they're getting penalty! They're losing birds! What an idiot! Well, guys, only 4 of us remain. Stella? Yeah? Can you go for us? Sure. Bomb, you go next. Me and Terrence will pause the battle and find our 4th egg, or get all the birds back together. I mean, there are 5 of us, but Chuck is missing. Okay, I'll go first. Stella, you idiot. Bomb, you go next. Okay then. Oh no, not the blackbird. He always explodes. Bob? Oh gosh, I'm out. Everyone come out. Ooh. Boom. He needs some milk.
Hey, I just remembered.
Yeah?
So if we got hurt, but we stand like this,
Yeah?
that means we're still alive.
Yeah. Come on, Bubbles. Yeah? Yeah? Just let it out, your breath. Whoa, that was quick. Yeah. Are you supposed to talk? Yeah. Are you silent but deadly? Yeah. Yeah, you do like that. Come on, Bubbles. Go find your egg. Okay. Wow. Wow. Together, we are the heroes. Yep. Medic! The egg is hatched! Hallelujah! I wonder who will it be? I mean, everything is okay, right, Stella?
Yep.
And Terrence? Huh? Ooh, I wonder what that be. Hello? Oh, it's just a... What's up? Ah! It's scary! Kill it with fire! Sorry, Red. That was the egg that was hatched. His name is Clay Orangebird. Oh, really? Let me see. But first... Oh! You're Clay Orangebird. You scared me. Sorry. Okay, it's okay. Hey, guys. Guys? Oh, it's just you, Bubbles. Oh, we need to find the birds. Oh, the birds I haven't taken a shot. Matilda, Chuck. It's right under the bed if you can't see, viewers. How was taken shot. So, I guess Matilda will go next. Okay, but I have to tell you this, Bubbles. What? I have a crush on her. But I thought Matilda has a crush on Bomb. No, that's Bomb is Matilda's future crush. Oh. Alright, Matilda, do you know why I called you?
Yeah?
Well, I found this pig. You see his ear? No. Well, you have to get him. I'll take you there. Okay.
Oh, you are so beautiful.
I know. Oh, Medic! I saw him! I gotta check a big crate! No! Don't say that! I could see you. Oh, yo. That is really inappropriate, you know. Uh-oh. Boom! He's dead! Woo! Aw, man, but I want to do it.
Mate, if you spot this Prince Pig, he has 1 HP left.
And what is his current HP? Oh, wait. I already know. It's 1. But what is his full HP?
15.
Well, 1 HP. Oh! I'm still alive.
Run! Get him!
Ah! Ow!
Well, we'll count him as dead.
I'm sleeping. Wake up! Everything's a mess. Why? Because I said so. Just go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Matilda?
Yeah?
What do we do now?
I don't know.
I'm gonna reset everything.
You mean reset the whole pigs?
No, I'll reset the whole bird family.
You mean everyone?
No, just the pigs. Alright, here I go. Oh! You revived all the birds back! Yeah! What are you doing here, Alan? I don't know. Stop it, Alan! You're still grounded. Ah! He's dead! No, I took care of him. What? What did he die? Oh, he died because he touched the lamp. Yeah, we gotta turn that thing off. Alright, it's turned off. Stupid lamp. Yeah. When will we turn it back on? I don't know. I think Alan is not dead. Alan, you're ungrounded because you accidentally fell into that lamp.
Yeah! Ooh, 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 ooh. Delicious anyway.
Yeah, it's getting hot in here. Hey, I got an idea. Why don't we go outside? Wow, that is a smart idea! Mighty Eagle! What? We're going outside. Wanna come? No. You're too giant, right? Yeah. Alright, it's getting hot in here. Let's go outside. Immediately. Well, we managed to get outside. Yeah. What's wrong, Bomb? Still hot. Freaking hot. Yeah, I know. Freaking is not a very nice word. Hey, I think it's getting cool. Yeah, don't you, Alan? Oh, you're hanging out with Terrence. My best friend is Terrence. Sup? I'm doing good. Don't harass it. Don't do that to me. Woo! It's getting hot in here. I better lay an egg. No, it's not that time.
Well, there's some traffic going on. Yeah. We saw some traffic going on.
Ooh. Where am I? Oh my goodness, the second egg. It's not an egg, it's a bird. Woo! I'm gonna name him Red Jr. Woo! I hope our next eggs could be us. Yeah, speaking of eggs. Don't eat those eggs, they're tennis balls. Want to play tennis? Yeah, play it, boy. Wait, Alan, how was that shot? It's good! Wow! I wonder what did we hit? Oh no, what? That's right! I am back! No, King Pig, why did you come with us? I came here because you're gonna get wrecked. Don't worry, guys, I'm just gonna hit everyone with this new pepper spray version 2.0 now. Well, he's gonna do it. No! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Get big! Why did you do to us? Yeah! Why did you do to us? Yeah! Why? Because I am so awesome! Where's my pepper spray? Not today! Get wrecked, mate. Wow, that'll teach him. There's some public going on. Someone's having a party. Come on, guys. Let's turn this off. Also, it smells like deodorant in here. It's gross, but it smells nice. Hey, guys. I used magic spray so I can join the party with you guys. I heard you guys got pepper spray. You, Red, Chuck, Bomber, Crimson, Woody, Ash, and that Blue Junior #1. You guys got pepper spray and you turn handsome looks. So I turned in 1. Where did everybody go? We're gone. Aww, I'm coming. Ooh. What? Don't film the viewer's feet. Feet? Go watch some Clarence. Aww. Psych, you guys are the wrong numbers. Oh. Hey, haven't you heard that the video is over? Oh. Ugh. Well, that wraps up. And it's getting hot in here, so yeah. Oh my goodness. So hot. Freaking hot. Sorry, I didn't say. Anyway, that wraps it up. Bye!